John has his toy, and he is going to fly the drone for the first time. And I'm so excited, and I'm nervous as a cat. Like, let me just tell you, the thing costs $600, and he's going to fly it, and he's never flown before. And I'm freaking all kinds of nervous, because if he crashes this $600 toy, I'm going to be so upset. So, I hear people are coming. All right, so when he gets ready, we will start. Look who came to see me all up close and personal. Our new little drone. I'm going to give him a name so that he and I can be friends and it all works out and like nothing bad ever happens. So I told John to fly him over here close to me so that we could like have a moment. So I'm having a moment with me and with y'all with this new drone. And it's the cutest thing I've ever seen. And no lie, it has a little face. So everybody wave. It's waving at you. It's videoing you, videoing it. And so, let's think of a name. Bye-bye.